Alright, one more video today. This one is a little bit more abstract and it will help us solve x in any given equation that we create, okay? This is more oriented for grade 8 students, however, you can try it, why not? So we're going to import some stuff, okay? So we're going to import sympy, from sympy, which is a library in Python that contains a lot of algebraic terms, okay? So from there, we're going to import symbols with y, that's how they write it, symbols, EQ, capital E, equations, and solve, which is a tool that will automatically solve for a given value or variable. And now we're going to create our function called find value x, okay? And this will consist of an equation. So we'll have a left side, let's call it, now left side is kind of lame, expression on the left, and then another expression to the right. That's all the content in our function, okay? Now, we need to define what goes inside. So first, there'll be x. X will be inside our equation, okay? So for Python to recognize what x is, we need to get symbols and then introduce x here. But x is a character, so we need to use quotation marks. Although it will store a numerical value, we need to declare it to symbols as a character, okay? I know it's tricky and makes no sense, but that's the only way it would work. Then we're going to create an equation, okay? We're going to call it equation, and this will equal EQ, and it will have expression left and expression right. I know it's a little bit abstract, but it will work, I promise. Then we need a solution, okay? The solution will be, what do we want? We've got a function that will store two expressions. That information will be organized in this equation. We'll have an expression to the left and an expression to the right, and in one of these expressions we'll have the symbol x. And the solution that we want is to solve equation, and within equation, what we want to solve, the value that we want, is x. Okay, cool. And after all of that, we want our function to return the solution that we just created here. So this variable will be returned, okay? I know it's a lot. I know it's a lot of information, but it will work, I hope. Now, let's declare some stuff. Let's declare, well, the left side will be, I don't know, what do you want it to be? Let's call it symbols x, and let's raise it to the power of 2, okay? So x squared is the left side of our equation. I cannot use expression left here, because then it will take the value from this one here, or from this one here. It will make sense in a minute. Now let's create a right side. That will be a number, a square. Let's go for a perfect square. Let's go for 49. Okay, just to keep it simple for now, just 49. And then we need the result. The result will be, well, the result will be done by our function. That's why we have created a function, right? So we find value x, and then here we're going to input, we need to input two things, okay? Something in the left and something in the right. And we have created something, a value to the left and a value to the right. So basically, I want to input left side in my equation and also right side into my equation. Cool, and what else? I guess I want to see the result, so I'm going to print out the result. Let's see if it works. Well, yeah, the x to the second power equals 49. So x has two values, right? Either 7 or -7 are valid values for x in this situation. Got it? We could change 49 to, I don't know, let's go for 16, and then it should return what? 4 and -4.